So here are the two new ones that I'm putting on. This one goes on this machine in the basement. So this machine in the basement is about 22 years old. And so if you're supposed to replace them every 5 years, then I am behind. And it's not a risk worth taking, right? So these are high quality hoses. They feel a lot better than the ones I was replacing. You know, I don't think this is something where you go in and buy the cheapest one in the store, right? And turn them back on to make sure we don't have any problems going on. So I actually do a little trick with these. I don't open them all the way so that the water flow, we don't have great water pressure in our house. And so by not opening these all the way, I slow the washer down just a bit. But if somebody's washing clothes, it doesn't steal all the water here from other uses like the shower upstairs. Now, washer number 2 is the upstairs washer. It's a little harder to get to, so it's kind of tucked in here. It's a Samsung, and it is about 10 years old, and so I'm actually surprised it's made it this long. We've had to do some work on it. It's not great. It's a front loader. Doesn't really clean laundry the way it ought to. And we've had to have it repaired a couple times. So with the one in the basement, not a big deal if I get a little water on the floor. Up here, I'm gonna keep a towel with me because these are old hardwood floors and I don't want them to get wet. So one aspect of inspecting a hose that you're not really gonna be able to tell if it's not off, but is the seal ring inside there. So these are real bad on water hoses to go bad, but then water hoses are outside where it's always cold and hot. So I don't think that these washer hoses go bad as quickly, but eventually they are going to go to bad. Of course, that would probably just create a leak, whereas a hole actually in the hose could create a flood.